Well, the Falcon there has got a flat tire, so I'm going to have to drive over the Rabbit here, over to the Toyota, fire that up, and bring that over here, take a tire or two off, and then put it on the Falcon. So, let's see if this beast will fire up for me. Come on, baby. Almost. We'll try her again. She's a little smoky. Keep trying. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's nice. Alright, well I got the battery out of the Rabbit here, and hopefully I got enough gas in my little tank. There's a little bit. Yeah, we'll see if she fires up. Damn tumbleweeds. Oh shit. Let's see. I don't hear my fuel pump kicking on. Come on, fuel pump. Work. No fuel pump. But she cranks over at least. Alright. I'm gonna have to go check on that. I got air in the lines, so she don't want to pump. I already had to tighten it up. I had a little bit of a fuel leak there. So we'll try to work the air out of the lines. See if we can't get it to fire. Going a little bit. Come on, baby. Work all that air out so that my fuel pump runs. Alright, I think I got everything finally working. The fuel pump, the battery, my camera. Oh, come on. Alright, run, bitch. Run! And I better... Well, finally, after all that, I got her in here. I'm after those wheels right there, brand spanking ass new. And while I'm here, I figure I'll show you my shop a little bit. I got brand new lights. Well, I got them for free. They're used, but they're new to me. Salvage cooler out of a bar I'm using as a bench. Salvage cabinets. That red toolbox over there I got for free. Radio I got for free. Nice little shop. I got light. Got a little bit of heat. So now I got to take these wheels off here and put it on the Falcon because it got a flat tire. Sweet. Alright, well I've got it in here. I got the wheel off. Now I'm going to let the air out of the tire using this fancy little tool to take out the valve stem core.
Also, a cool thing while you listen to the 93X Sunday Night download tonight.
Now, I don't have a machine, so I've got the tire mounted in a vise to break the bead. Well, it took some doing, but I got the tire off of the rim. So now we'll lower it down. Hopefully we won't break nothing. That's beautiful. Let's see if I can get the jack out now. Oh, cocksucker. Alright, plan B.